In this video, I will be teaching you guys how to use the website Canva and also giving you my honest review of it. This video was made by Madison Kachurak. Canva is a free website that allows you to create worksheets, brochures, posters, infographics, and many more. It has multiple templates that you can choose from, or you can even start from the very beginning and make it completely on your own. Canva's mission is to help everyone design and publish anything they desire. This website allows you to be very creative and make just about anything for your classroom and students. Hi everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Canva really quick. So on this first page that you get into after you create an account, which you can create a free account and have access to a bunch of these designs. So you can make a presentation, poster, infographic. These are just some of the examples of things you can make with this. Instagram post, a flyer, a brochure. There are many options for this website. So if you find one that you think would fit, for example, an infographic, you can just click that. And then it will bring you to a page that has a bunch of different examples for you to use. So these are some templates that you can use and just fill in. So if you like the design of this one, you can just click on it and you can change up the words and change the pictures to whatever other pictures you want to select. So let's say, for example, we pick this one. If you just double click on the text, you can delete it and you can type anything else as the title. If you want to add a text box over here to the left, you just press text. And here's some more text. You can add a heading, a subheading, a body of text. Just press that, and it will add right here, and you can drag it to wherever you see fit. There are some textual designs you can also add here, little logos. You can add audio to them. This can be used if you make a video on here. You can add photos. There are a bunch of free photos in here that you can use, and there are also some pro photos that you would pay for. There are other elements here that you can add, shapes, lines, frames, stickers. There are a bunch of different options. You can also change the background. And then there's some folders where you can put your purchase stuff or things you like in these folders to keep them handy for you to use. But overall, it is a very easy website to use, very self-explanatory. You can change the font here, the font size, the font color. Overall, it is very easy to use and I highly recommend it. Here is an example of a poster I made using Canva. This poster can be hung outside of a bathroom in a classroom. It can be used easily to help your students remember how to wash their hands correctly. I plan on teaching kindergarten students, so this will be a great reminder for them. My review of Canva. When I am a teacher, it is very important for me to make my classroom engaging for my students. I plan to do this by having posters and decorations to grab their attention. I also want to have a very interactive classroom and be able to make my own worksheets to enhance the topic we are covering. This website was a very easy tool to use in order to make a quick poster. It is also easy to use and navigate through. There are many different templates to select from, or you can even start from the beginning. It also lets you be very creative. Overall, I am a huge fan of Canva and will 100% be using this software often when I am a teacher. Here is the website where I learned all about Canva.